Hi everyone, it's Marianne and welcome to a very Merry Plantmas. And this is our last one on Christmas Day. And if you're celebrating, Merry Christmas. And I hope everyone has been having a wonderful, plentiful holiday season. And thank you so much for joining me on this year Plantmas. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you miss any, I will have the playlist linked up here and also down in the description. And welcome to my very last plant shopping video of the year. This was actually not a planned trip. I went to Lowe's to get some keys duplicated and I saw they had their garden center fully restocked. And honestly, this is the best restock of houseplants they have the entire year. And they had so many different varieties, even uncommon ones that usually never hit the store. And this is a store that I always go to plant shopping when it comes to big box stores. So let's go ahead and check out what they have for the end of the year. It's a short plant shopping video, but make sure you watch until the very end so you will see the best ones that I found in my Lowe's, and let me know what has been your best big box store finds in 2021 down in the comments. I would love to know. This is the first time I saw this Calathea in a big box stores, and it's only for $15. I was already tempted to buy it because this is part of my wishlist plans for 2022. If you've seen that video, I'll link it down in the description if you haven't yet. And let's take a look at the Urban Jungle collection. I think this one is actually a lot better than the Life Trends collection. This has a lot more varieties of plants and plants that are also rare and common. As you would see down here, they have this alocasia. I was not familiar with it, but we'll take a look at it a bit more later on. And I really like the selection that they have and the pots that they come in. And they've got a lot of peperomias up here, some begonias and raven zizis. We always get this begonias and raven zizis here. And look, a peperomia prostata. I think I saw 3 of them here. This is the second one and we'll see the third one later. And I was tempted to get this, but I didn't since I already have a peperomia prostata. And a lot of the small terrarium plants, the nerve plants, and also some other begonias, a staple at any garden center. And here's the Alocasia poly, which is also something we always get here, and the Pilea peperomiotes. And here they also have some pretty huge Monstera adansonii, and it's really beautiful. And also right next to it is some neon pothos, a huge basket of it. And if you look closely, you can see a lot of the leaves are variegated. So that is awesome. And you have some ponytail plants and more snake plants. And over in this section, they have a lot of different plants. They have the philodendron birkin. They have this Calathea and more neon pothos. And this Calathea again. And down here they have this, I think this is the crocodile fern, not sure, but I know a lot of people like that as well. Some moonlight sansevieria. And here's a closer look of that Calathea ornata, I believe. And again, I was very tempted to get it, so I kept taking videos of it, and it's really pretty. And here's a closer look on that alocasia. I wasn't sure what it is. I thought it was a zebrina because of the stem, but I don't think so. Is it a maharani? Not really sure. This one could be the zebrina, I think, just because of the stem and the leaf shape. But the second one looks like a different variety of alocasia. Not entirely sure. I know Costa farms have started to breed more uncommon and rare types of alocasia, and this could be one of them. And this is a begonia. Again, we always get this. I think this one is the angel wing, not the maculata, and the peperomia. This is the, I'm not really sure what kind of peperomia this one is. Like I mentioned in my wishlist video, I am trying to get into more plant genuses that I previously ignored. And this is a peperomia pixie. I recognize that because I previously had one. And this is the third Borromea string of turtles that they had in store. And look at that, it is so full and it's also starting to flower. And I didn't check the price, but I believe this has increased from $10 to almost $15 now for that size of pot. And the best one that I found is this global green pothos. You look at that variegation. The only thing about this plant that I saw in store is a lot of the leaves are just green and jade pothos, and not a lot of it is global green, so I didn't buy it.